Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the maximum number of draft POIs on the MapMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the help and feedback section, tap to the settings button, the first option, and in the rendering performance settings section, click to the first option, the maximum number of drawn POIs button, and here you can select a maximum number and just select one and step on it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.